Mastering pacing and prioritizing on the GMAT's verbal section. Hello learners! In today's video, we'll be diving deep into one of the most vital strategies to ace the verbal section of the GMAT, understanding pacing and prioritizing questions. Many test takers lose valuable points not because they don't know the answers but because they run out of time. Let's change that. In the GMAT verbal section, you'll have 65 minutes to tackle 36 questions. That averages to just under 2 minutes per question. While this might seem ample at first glance, remember that not all questions are created equal. Some might take you just a minute, while others could demand up to 3 minutes. Key points. Time management. This isn't just about how fast you can answer but also how wisely you spend your time. Awareness. Always keep an eye on the clock. Being aware of the time left can help you make informed decisions on which questions to tackle and which to guess. The GMAT doesn't require you to answer questions in the order they're presented. This is an advantage you can leverage. 1. Skim through. As you encounter questions, give them a quick skim. If it seems straightforward, tackle it immediately. 2. Flag and return. If a question seems complex or you're unsure about it, flag it and come back after you've finished the others. This ensures you don't waste time on harder questions at the expense of missing easy points. 3. Guess wisely. If you're running out of time and still have flagged questions, don't leave them blank. Make an educated guess. Remember, there's no penalty for wrong answers. Key points. Play to your strengths. If you're great at sentence correction but struggle with reading comprehension, for instance, tackle your strong points first to bag those points. Leave no question unanswered. The GMAT doesn't penalize for wrong answers, so always guess if you're unsure. It might sound cliché, but the best way to get better at pacing and prioritizing is through regular practice. Mock tests. Regularly take full-length tests to simulate the GMAT environment. This helps in building stamina and gives a realistic idea of where you stand. Analyze. After every test, review the sections where you took longer. Understand why and strategize on how you can improve. Key points. Consistency is key. Like any skill, time management gets better the more you do it. Learn from mistakes. Instead of getting disheartened from mistakes, view them as learning opportunities. Remember, the GMAT is as much about strategy as it is about knowledge. By mastering the art of pacing and learning to prioritize questions efficiently, you can maximize your score potential. We hope this video has been enlightening. Stay consistent in your preparation, and you're sure to see results. Happy studying and best of luck with your GMAT.